I bring a simple and a quick recipe today. This is a cheesy garlic bread. The dough which I share is a universal dough. You can make multiple recipes out of this dough. But I did something different in this recipe. So let's see what I did.
But I did do something different. I cooked one bread in my regular oven and the other one in a Desi Jugaad. Now this is my built-in oven. This is Glen oven and it's 56 liters. Mind you, this is 11 years old. And this is what my Desi Jugaad looks like. It has a deep pan in which I have kept my pizza plate, and this is covered by a full cover. Now hang on to the end of the video to see the difference between the two breads. With that, let's begin. In a clean bowl, take 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To this add baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. In this recipe, we are taking half a cup of buttermilk. You can substitute this with half a cup of curd or half a cup of milk with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now add 2 teaspoons of melted butter. Mix well. If the dough appears dry, we can add some water, 1 tablespoon at a time. Make a smooth dough. The dough should appear smooth and elastic. Once the dough appears smooth and elastic, we can now cover the dough and let it rest for half an hour. After half an hour, we can remove the dough and divide it into 2 equal smooth balls. Let these 2 balls rest for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will take a clean bowl and we will take 2 tablespoons of butter in this. Add half a teaspoon of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 2 pinches of oregano. Mix well. This forms our garlic butter. Put this aside. Take a clean board and now we will start rolling our garlic bread. Take the dough ball and start rolling this on your board. If this ball appears sticky or the dough appears sticky, we can add some flour to the board. We are now trying to achieve a size of approximately 15 centimeters. The thickness of this bread should be around 3 millimeters. Once this size has been achieved, we can now start working on our garlic bread. Now brush your bread with garlic butter generously. We can use a spoon or a brush to apply this butter. We will leave 1 centimeter edge of the bread for sealing towards the later end. Once the brushing is over, we can add 1/3 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. We can also substitute this with cheddar cheese. Add few basil leaves for added flavor. Now roll the bread over into half and seal the edges. To make a crispier bread, we can add some cornmeal or makki ka atta. We can now apply remaining garlic butter over this bread. Make partial thickness cuts on this rolled bread. This helps the steam to escape and also helps us to pull this bread out later. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade or the pressure cooker oven or deep kadai for 10 minutes. Transfer this bread on a well-greased baking tray and bake for 15 to 18 minutes in the oven or 30 minutes in your makeshift oven. We are serving our bread today with Domino style cheese dip. For this, take 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Now add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for 2 minutes. Once this cooking is over for 2 minutes, we would now turn the heat off and wait for 5 minutes. We will add 1 cup of milk slowly to this and mix well so that there are no lumps. Turn the heat on and now start stirring this milk mixture well. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and salt to taste. We can add 1 pinch of black pepper. If you want, you can add few chili flakes as well. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add around 50 grams of grated processed cheese. Again cook for 2 minutes. As this cheese melts, you can see this nice thick delicious sauce coming across. We can now serve this dip with our bread. Let's check our bread. This is our garlic bread from the oven. And this one is from our desi oven. The difference is only that the bread which comes from the electric oven is evenly browned compared to the one which comes in desi oven. You may sometimes have to flip the bread over in the desi oven to get this color. The baking time is also a little longer in our desi oven. However, taste-wise, both are same. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know.
Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, do press the like button. Subscribe the channel. If you want to watch any new recipes, do mention in the comment section below. See you next week.